Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have subscribed to this channel, thank you for doing so. But if you've not, please kindly do so. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a video like this. So now, very quickly, in this video, we are going to see again how we can apply the laws of indices to simplify all these questions, the 6 questions. Now, the question says that we should simplify these expressions, giving our answers in index form. So let's see how we can quickly do that. Now, the first question here is this. So this is 2 raised by x plus 5. The same thing as you can re-express this as divide by 2 raised by x. Now we can see that the bases are the same. So since bases are the same, we take 1, okay? So, and that will be equal to 2 raised to power. What do we do to the powers? We subtract the powers because there is a sign of what? Division in between the two equal bases. So we say x plus 5 minus this x. So that will be, if you simplify that further, you have 2 raised to power. This x minus this x is 0, so what will be left is 5, so that's 2 raised to power 5. So that's it. Then number 2 is 3. We can re-express this as, this is 3 raised to power x plus 7 divided by 3 raised to power x plus 5. So once again, the bases are the same. So all we need to do is to take one of the bases, which is 3. So what do we do to the powers? We subtract the powers because we have the sign of division in between the bases. So we have x plus 7 minus, we open our bracket, x plus 5. So, and that will give us 3 raised to power. This is x plus 7. Now minus, see, minus times this x, there is a positive sign in front of it here. So minus times that positive sign is minus x. So this minus times this plus is minus 5. So if we collect like terms, so this is x minus x is 0. We have plus 7 minus 2 will give us what? 2. So that will be 3 raised to power 2. So that's pretty much what it is. So then number 3, we can re-express this as 5 raised to power 7 x plus 2 divided by 5 raised to power 7 x plus 7. I hope I got that right. Okay. So again, the bases are the same, so we take one of the bases. So that will be 5. What do we do to the powers? We subtract the power. So that will be 7x plus 2 minus, because we have the sign of what? Division in between the two bases. So minus 7x plus 7. So when we open the bracket, we have 5 raised to power, that is 7x plus 2. Now minus times 7 is minus 7. Minus times plus is minus. We've seen that before. 7. Okay, this is 7x, sorry. 7x minus 7. So what we have here, we just simplify this. We have 5 raised to power 7x minus 7x is 0. Now we have plus 2 minus 7. What will that give us? That will give us, you have 2, you are owing 7. So when you pay, you are still owing 5. So that will give us 5 raised to power minus 5. Okay, so this is it. Or you can rewrite this as, using one of the laws of indices, we can rewrite this as 1 over 5 raised to power 5. Okay, so this is it. So now the what number are we now? Number 4. So number 4 is 7 raised to power 8 minus 7 raised to power 7. Now again, we can see that this is, the two bases are the same, but they are not separated by either multiplication or division sign. So we are going to do a little bit of a tweak here. So look at what we're going to do. So this 7 raised to power 8 is same as 7 raised to power 7 plus 1 minus this part, which is 7 raised to power 7. So that will give us, now this part we can rewrite it as, using the law of indices, 7 raised to power 7 times 7 raised to power 1 minus 7 raised to power 7. So what do we do next? We factorize the 7 raised to power 7 from both sides. So now we have, this is 7 raised to power 7 into, we have taken 7 raised to power 7 out of here. What is left is 7 raised to power 1 minus, now we have taken 7 raised to power 7, so 7 raised to power 7 divided by 7 raised to power 7 will give us 1. So that will be 1. So 7 raised to power 1 is same as 7. So this is 7 raised to power 7 into 7 minus 1. And that will be 7 raised to power 7 into 1. 7 minus 1 is what? 6. So that is where we'll stop, because now we can see that the two bases are not the same. So the other one is 9 raised to power 6 minus 9 raised to power 5. We apply almost the same principle here. So we have 9 raised to power 6 minus 9 raised to power 5. So what would that give us? That will give us, since the bases are not the same, since the bases are the same, but then we don't have a division or multiplication sign between them. So what do we need to do? We rewrite this as 9 raised to power 5 plus 1. This is minus 9 raised to power 5. So we now rewrite this again as 9 raised to power 5 times 9 raised to power 1 minus 9 raised to power 5. So we now factor out 9 raised to power 5 from both sides. That will give us 9 raised to power 5 into 9 raised to power 1 minus 1. Okay, because 9 raised to power 5 divided by 9 raised to power 5 is 1. Okay, now 9 raised to power 1 is same as 9, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So that will give us 9 raised to power 5 into 8. Again, this into 8 means 9 raised to power 5 times 8. Okay, so one and the same. So again, you can see that the bases are not the same, so we can stop right there. So now the sixth one, the last one, is 3 raised to power 4 minus 3 raised to power 3. So we have 3 raised to power 4 minus 3 raised to power 3. So now we can re-express it, because we cannot apply the law of indices directly into a situation like this, because we don't have division or multiplication sign in between them. So, but again, if we look carefully, this part is 3 raised to power 3. So we can rewrite this as 3 raised to power 3 plus 1 minus 3 raised to power 3. Again, we take out this 3 raised to power 3, factorize it out, so that will become, okay, let us first re-express this. So that will be 3 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 1 minus 3 raised to power 3. So we can factorize this out. So that will be 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 1 minus this 3 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 3 will give us to 1. And of course, you know 3 raised to power 1 is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is 3 raised to power 3 into 2. So that's pretty much where we can stop. So I believe you have learned much. If you find this video useful, I would like you to like it, comment on the comment section below, tell me what you feel, and if there's any topic you feel like you want me to look at and share my knowledge with you, please don't hesitate to do that. Again, once again, subscribe to this YouTube channel and let us grow it. Thank you very much, and God bless you. I'll catch you in the next one.